Here we are outside the home in the Arbors. Got nice side yards on both sides. It's the end of a cul-de-sac. Just kind of give you a little view down the street so you can see. Got tree-lined streets here and street lamps. Nice pretty bougainvillea in the front yard. What I like about this home is you've got a nice front porch, very functional, great for reading. Coming in the front door, this is a great room plan. High 10-foot ceilings, crown molding. The dining room off to the right, and it has French doors out to the porch. And to the left as you come in is the fourth bedroom with double French doors, probably used as a den just due to its location. It also has the crown molding and tile flooring. Little closet right there which makes it a bedroom. Of course, you can see the pool from everywhere in the house, which is really nice. I also like the tile design in the floor at the entranceway and the etched glass doors. A couple of guest bedrooms off of this side hall. One guest bedroom here. Tile flooring throughout the entire home. Really good size guest bathroom. And the window looks out to the lake, which I like. Pretty tile. Another guest bedroom. They have it set up kind of as a little den, but it's a bedroom. Has a closet over here. Still the 10-foot ceilings in this part of the home, and it also has access to the patio from this room. Coming over here, it's a lovely breakfast room, and you have like a little place for bar stools or what have you right here. Looking into the kitchen, you have Corian countertops. Tons of kitchen space, counter space, and cabinets. You have these big cabinets there, plus you have the pantry. Plus you have more cabinets over here with glass door fronts. So very, very good storage. Plus you have some additional cabinets in the laundry room, plus a laundry tub. And that goes out to the 2-car garage. I like that it's open as well to the entertainment area and the family room, so you don't miss any of the action going on inside the residence. Then this hall leads to the master bedroom. This is the master bath. Got a large corner tub and big shower area with a etched glass door. Separate toilet area. Very nice. And you have this long closet that goes from here all the way to the end, and then a walk-in closet as well. Also still tile flooring. You have a bay window that looks out to the pool, as well as another French door going out to the pool, and you also have crown molding in the master bedroom. It's good size. I really like this breakfast room that just looks right out to the pool. I'm going to go ahead and open this slider out to the patio because it opens way up. I really like that. I have a good covered area out here. Big pool, nice hot tub spa. What I also like is that you have this big side yard that looks out to the lake. Very peaceful. Turtles like to hang out there in the middle of the lake. Lots of nature around. See, Arbors is surrounded by preservation areas. And you have a preserve behind there. And look back into the home. We also have a real pretty side yard here with some beautiful flowering trees. Big side yard. And look at this view. What a way to enjoy the Florida lifestyle.